Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Every love story should bloom like spring flowers. My heart is a garden, and you are the bloom. Our love is like a wildflower, free and beautiful. Without you, my world feels like a withered flower. If love were a flower, I'd pick you every time. Like a sunflower, my love always follows you. Your love is the rain that helps me grow. Love is the softest petal in life's bouquet. You're the rose that colors my world. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. You are the rose that makes my garden bloom. Like flowers, our love grows beautifully. You're my sunflower, always shining bright. Our love blossoms like a spring garden. Every petal whispers, I love you. You're the wildflower in my heart. In the garden of love, you're my favorite bloom. I love you more than a bee loves flowers. You are my morning rose and evening jasmine. A single rose can be my garden, a single love, my world. You are the petal to my heart's bloom. Love is like a daisy, simple, pure, and beautiful. Our love is a bouquet of happiness. With you, every season feels like spring. Love is the wildflower that grows in the heart. You make my heart blossom with happiness. Like a flower, love needs patience and care. Grace blossoms where kindness thrives. Faith waters the seeds of beauty. Flowers speak the language of the heart. Every petal tells a story of love.